Welcome to the showcase walkthrough for the website template Beauvais. So our homepage features a hero section at the top. We also have a slim opt-in section, and then we have the checkerboard boxes with featured, these can be featured programs or services depending on what you want to add there. And of course you can add more or remove some if you don't have as many. We have a call out section which we're using to go to a Facebook group. We feature a podcast and also the latest 3 blog posts. And we have Instagram integration into the footer. On the About page, we feature your story, any quote that you'd like to include, some personality traits. We have a featured in section, also a featured book a discovery section that can be used throughout the pages. And we have the full opt-in, which takes you to the freebie page. On the main coaching or services page, we again feature the checkerboard, but instead of the edge-to-edge design, we have indented this so that you have the different choices between the two. We've included 2 different service styles with different sectioning, so you can combine the two to create a layout that fully fits all the needs that you have. And we've included different sections that you might need on your services pages. We go across to the second style. You can see different layouts. So depending on what kind of service you're offering and what you need to inform your customers of, you can choose the layout that works best for you. We've also included a full sales page layout. So if you have any courses or programs, you can use this to link to those. It is a long form sales page, so it includes all the modules and bonuses, different payment tiers if you have those, frequently asked questions, of course, customer testimonials, how your program is different, and then a guarantee if you have that. Included is a blog. So we have the main blog page, and then we also have 2 individual blog layouts depending on the type of images really that you're using. So the first one features the hero image at the top, which is a parallax image. And then the second style is image to the left. So depending on the type of image, which layout might work best for you and your content. We also feature a podcast. So all of the required features that you might need of your podcast are included. And in the single podcast layout, you'll see that we've also included everything that you'll need for your podcast. So an audio file section, listening on the different platforms, text. If you also record a video of your podcast, you can include that there. Any links from the episode and a full transcript if you include that as well. Next, we have the contact page, social media links. We also feature a contact form so that people can get in touch quite easily. Again, our feature discovery call section so that people can choose whether they actually want to get in touch this way or booking a discovery call is a better option. Again, with the slim opt-in and frequently asked questions. Now we also include the 3 freebie pages. So we have the standalone freebie page, which makes it really easy for you to send potential leads to opt in directly to your mailing list and get whatever your freebie is. We have the almost there page. So if you have a double opt-in enabled in your email marketing software, then this is a handy page to have to direct people to know what happens next and how they can confirm to grab the freebie that you're offering. And also while they wait, we've included the podcast and blog there. And then we have the thank you or next steps page. We've also included a video to let you know what to actually record for this page. So that can be really helpful as well as offering the actual download to the freebie that you're offering. And then lastly, we have the privacy policy page, so that you can pop your privacy policy on there and make sure that your website is fully compliant. So that's it for Beauvais. Beauvais is the perfect website template for coaches or heart-centered entrepreneurs who have a service-based business. It's a nice clean layout with a touch of boho to it. As we said, everything is customizable, fonts, colors, and layouts, so you can really create a unique website for yourself.